Pamboy Raimundo, he's been a fixture in the starting lineup, starting in the 16th consecutive game for Binyan as they win the tip. They are who has started games as of late with the absence of Mark Pingris. As Timosa Bintes, Gimpayan, offensive rebound, put back is good. Bonifacio up top, binabantayan ni March De Leon. Pamboy, he's been shooting exceptional from beyond the arc and that continues. Andre using his left hand, Bintes. Pamboy, the pitch ahead, Lastimosa. Easy basket, 7-0 start for Binyan. Raimundo using that Bonifacio screen. Oh, nice assist for Warren, setting up Waray for the deuce. Bonifacio, papunta kay Carlo Lastimosa. Carlo takes the free and makes it. Bonifacio, elbow jumper. Binyan is just clicking on all cylinders so far.
And a lot of the shots have really had enough space and a lot of rhythm for those shooters.
Jem Cruz, the former Batangas City player, knocks down a three. Raimundo, pasa kay JJ Pido. Libre sa tres, yes. Of their three-pointers so far. Pamboy squares his feet and knocks down the trifecta. Lastimosa.
Nice.
Yeah, that's a tough shot. Makes it anyway. Lead up to 18 points. Medina off that pin down. Flips it up and in. Much needed basket for Bulacan.
Pretty much everything prevented by Binyan. Yung natin depensa dito.
Pamboy, nasundutan sa likod. This is something that Bulacan needs to do more of. Getting themselves in transition, turning defense into offense. Couple of offensive rebounds for Binyan. Carlo, umalog palabas but nobody boxing out Big Boy Hernandez. Facing off against Gabo Espinosa. 9 on their shot clock. Caballero at the post. High arcing jumper, wala. Si Big Boy na naman ang nakabulot.
Height advantage, pero man, you gotta battle underneath if you wanna get that ball.
Nakawala si Joshua Moralejo, the lefty finish.
You know, wing and guards for Bulacan now. Harold Benedictos, Jem Cruz, and William C.
Big Boy, gumulong paloob, plus the foul. 7 on their shot clock. William C. naghanap ng papasahan. Andre. The floater is up and in off the glass.
Against stronger teams like Abra, they will be without Marping Risto, who is nursing a hip injury sustained in practice, while Jopet Soriano remains sidelined with a hamstring injury suffered 2 games ago. Back to you guys.
Oo, totoo yun. And I think yung peaking at the right time is key right there, including yung pagtapos ng maayos. Kasi alam naman natin, napakahaba nitong season ito.
So, syempre, nakwento nila yung buhay nila.
Pero alam mo, kahit na napanood yun, hindi ko pa rin maaalala yung mga detalye na yun. Ibang klase yung memory ko yun.
Si Big Boy has to create. Nakawala. Kumama sa rim. Andre, all day to shoot. And he hits it. A long 2-pointer. Mike. He had that go-ahead jumper almost at that same spot.
Pero nararamdaman mo yung hesitation dahil na rin sa depensa nitong Binyan.
Moralejo off the glass and in.
Progress despite Bulacan's recent losses. Ayon sa kanya, willing maglaro ang lahat pero aminado siyang ang kanilang talo sa Rizal ang pinakamatindi matapos nilang bitawan to suit up despite a right shoulder injury and is only around 60% healthy. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat, Lyra and Bulacan already surpassing their win total from last season.
Oh, importante dito is patuloy sila, you know, pagsikapan yung makakuha sila ng maraming panalo. Start of the season, they were very competitive.
Halos magkakasunod yan eh. Kabilang dyan yung Mindoro din.
Yeah.
March De Leon, 29-9 edge in that department.
Really getting dominated off the boards. Another good pass inside. That's assist number 14.
nakuha ni Nick Cabanyero yung rebound.
Grabe yung clog ng shaded area na yun. 4 na beses pala nakaka-attempt inside the paint. Ito nga Bulacan Cuyas. That's how clogged the inside has been for Binyan.
March De Leon, face-up jumper over Waray Gimpayan.
I don't even know if they have an advantage here with Jem Cruz over Carlo. Well, that was a good move though by Jem.
Jem Cruz.
Yeah, you have to find where the advantage is. There you
Good
go.
backdoor cut. And a basket from Andre Jacob. Lastimosa. They reset their offense. 5 segundo sa kanilang shot clock. Bonifacio, deep seal, fades away and scores. 49-32, 2 minutes gone by in the third. Jem Cruz. Humihit. Nakuha yung rebound. Great effort by Jem Cruz.
Well, that was all Jem Cruz. Now, if you're Binyan, you want to settle things down, get into your good groove. You've only been 1 out of 4. Oh, good steal.
Specialty of the house from William C. Sayang, he was right there at the cup. Lastimosa soars and scores. When you look at it, they only have a couple of turnovers, pero nagiging biggest difference nga no, is yung rebounding. Daming possessions na pinamimigay. But they've done a much better job this quarter. William C. Tinahi yung depensa, lays it up and in.
He's got steals already in this game and he's brought that energy. Clearly, responding sa mensahe ni Coach Ala na natigilan na natin ito, kailangan we have to play better.
Cruz hit a couple of threes earlier. Sa pagkakataon na yun, nakita mo na ulangan ni Mike Mabulak si Aaron Akop eh.
He's head coach in Coach Boyd. I'm sure he also has a lot to learn from him.
The former UST Growling Tiger, Nick Cabanyero. Nakawala si Kenny Roacorva. Pocket pass sa loob, March De Leon. He's had quite a solid game. Wala nang 2 minuto na lalabi sa ating third period. Si Big Boy, nakakuha ni Mabulak na wala sa kanya. Aaron Akop, sizing up the defense. Stopping his tracks by Kenny Roacorva. Medina, high arcing free over Nick Cabanyero.
Going down to defend.
12 na lang ang lamang ng Binyan. Roacorva sidestep, puts it in. LGR is the official outfitter of the MPBL.
Well, that's one thing that can't happen. You allowing Kenny Roacorva downhill.
Everything but the finish though. Back the other way, Cabanyero. Lost it. Thought he got fouled. Good pass.
Nice.
An even better one from Medina, setting up his former teammate. Patuloy natin na spread ang love.
Yeah. We got married 95. We were boyfriend and girlfriend 87.
Okay.
Yeah.
March De Leon, Ken Castillo, Mart Barrera, and Joshua Moralejo.
Yeah.
The slight bump. And Ken Castillo.
Now, this is where nagiging mas madali. This is the exact same play. Little cross screen, but look at that steal.
Cabanyero lost it momentarily, but JJ Pido, Nick Cabanyero, finding Roacorva, Warren Bonifacio, and Mike Mabulak. Mabulak rejected emphatically by Kenneth Castillo. Mabulak has really mastered that shot. Another offensive rebound, Mabulak. Bonifacio, jumper, low. And Nick Cabanyero just takes it away from Aaron Akop.
Ang lakas nung kapit rin ni Nick.
In and out dribble to a pull-up. Finally, first field goal of the ball game for Aaron Akop. So, and the rest is history, as they say. Went on to carve out a nice career in basketball. Carlo Lastimosa. Baka si Lyra sakali. Mamaya. Second
subukan
game.
natin.
Hoy, nakawala si Renzo Subito sa depensa ni William C.
Using that footwork to elude the defense. Very quick reaction though.
Yung alley-oop na yun, ang hirap ha. walang angulo. Straight line pass. Usually may angle yan eh from the weak side.
180 yung ikot eh, no?
Kausap ko kanina. Ayan, here he is taking the basket. Baseball din ang first sport niya. Si Medina, hindi taga Bulacan, taga Pampanga.
Okay.
Florida Blanca, Pampanga. The first layup from Mike Mabulak is good.
Oo. Dahil doon kay Jalen.
Na-trade eh.
Yeah. But I saw one interview by Shay Shay. There's this
Many as 21 points.
yun yung quarter na pumasok si William C. where they had third quarter, that's right. Kayo? Hindi, kailan lang kayo, di ba?
5.
5, yeah.
Going 6.
Going strong. Yes, sir. Actually, dahil sa ikaw ang kasama ko, ang sinabi kong movie ay Fireproof, di ba? Pero hindi ko mabanggit yan kay Coach Juanito kasi unang-una single si Coach Juanito. Diba?
Single ba si Coach?
Oo.
Akala ko
Meron
wala
ba si
ba
Coach
girlfriend
Juanito?
si Coach?
Hindi, I mean, may asawa na ba si Coach Juanito?
Hindi ko alam.
Wala, di ba? But, again, kung si Papa P ang kasama ko dito, hindi Fireproof ang sasabihin ko. TV series
TV series.
tungkol sa mag-asawa. Alam mo kung ano yun?
Ano?
John and Marcia.
So, mapapapanood mo pa ba yun sa YouTube?
Hindi, ewan ko siguro. Di Direct Freddy, sigurado tumatawa na yan sa Obi-Ban.
Alright, Binyan getting the job done against Bulacan. Anything from further escalating, but that does not take away from this awesome performance for our player of the game, brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. Mike Mabulak, in limited minutes, solid output, Coach Mike.
Oh, and then 11 points, 5 of 6 from the field. He's got 10 rebounds, double-double, 2 assists. And really just magandang contribution in the very limited minutes that he's got.
95-75, Binyan